Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe.
Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video.
In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I made these simple and beautiful cards using distress oxide inks and some
Beebeecraft products.
So I made 6 of these cards and I did not remember to take videos of the inside portion of the cards before I shipped them off. So what I did was to go back to my Facebook Live and screen record the process of when I opened the cards. I will show you guys the 2 different techniques of how I use the embossing folders, stencils and distress oxide to make these cards.
I also will be having a discount code for you guys to use to purchase Beebeecraft products.
I will place the link in the description box down below for you guys. This is the card that I made for one of my customers. I made this one blank because she did not want the arts on the inside. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So these are the distress oxide inks that I got on Amazon. For the blue one, it is peacock feathers. The yellow one is yellow mustard seed. The pink one is pink raspberry. And the orange one is spice marmalade. So this is the embossing folder that I got from Beebeecraft, and I went ahead and cut a piece of paper and run it through my machine with the embossing folder, and this is how it turned out, exactly like the embossing folder. I will place the measurements in the description box down below for you guys. So this is the stencil. This is also from Beebeecraft. All I did was to place the paper down on the table, then place the stencil on top. And this is a set of blending brush that I also got on Amazon. It came with multiple foams that I can choose from using different inks. So for the first card that I made, I used the peacock feathers and the pink raspberry. So the first thing I did was to place the stencil on top of the paper, as I said before. Then I went in with my inks. I went in with the pink raspberry in the middle, and then I went in with the peacock feathers on the outer layer of the card. You can secure the paper and the stencil together so that it stays in place with pieces of tapes. I did not have any tape, so what I did was to use my hand. And as you all can see, it did not do a pretty good job using my hand, so the tape is better to use. So right there, I'm just switching my foam and the ink so that I can blend the ink onto the outside layer of the card. So while I'm doing my ink blending,
let's talk a little bit about Beebeecraft. So recently I posted a video with them unboxing some products that I got from them, and if you guys haven't seen that video as yet, you can go ahead and watch it. I will place the link in the description box for you guys to see. So Beebeecraft is a program for YouTubers who has 100 subscribers or more on their YouTube channel. To be a part of this program, all you have to do in return is to make videos for them. I will place the link in the description box with those details for you guys. Also, I have a 10% discount code for you all as well. So even if you don't have a YouTube channel, you will still have the opportunity to purchase product from Beebeecraft using the 10% discount code that I will be placing in the description box. After finishing the ink blending, I place the paper aside to dry
and clean up my mat and also wash my sponges so that I can get them to dry to reuse another time. I also reused the stencil to make the other cards. So now that the cardstock is dry, it's time to finish the process. I went in with some foam tape on the back of the card so that it can pop a little. I didn't want it to be flat. I wanted to have a little dimension to it. So it is best to use some foam tapes. And this foam tape, I think I got it at Dollar Tree. So after placing the foam tape onto the piece of paper, I place it onto a card base. The base of the card is 5.5 by 5.5 inches. So all the products that I use into this video are from different suppliers, from Beebeecraft, of course, Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Amazon. So right here I added a flower onto the middle of the card. I got these flowers from Dollar Tree like a few months ago and I didn't know what to do with them. I bought them to make Mother's Day card, but eventually I made different cards for Mother's Day, so I was like, why not use them up right now? So this is a Oxide set that I also got from Beebeecraft. I use this on the front of the card. These cards can be for any occasion. They can be a sympathy card, Mother's Day card, thank you card, you name it, or you can just use it as a hello, just saying hello, or whatever occasion you would like, just let it be. So right here I added some leaves. The leaf was too long, so I cut them off camera. Also I cut out the ox using my machine and also the leaves as well. So I did not glue the entire leaves down. I wanted it to pop out a little bit, so I just glue the stem only. Right here I'm using my tweezer to apply the ox onto the card, because when I'm gluing it I don't want my finger to get in the way of the glue, so I just use the tweezer to assist. So this is what the front portion turned out to be. Now let's do the inside. So right here I have two hearts that I cut out off camera so that I can place it into the card. I did not do it on camera. I did it so that I can save time as well. As y'all can see, this video is pretty long. It is longer than my normal videos I posted. So right here I'm just gluing the art down onto the card, and then I place some glue in the middle of the arts and join them together. As I said before, the products that I got from Beebecraft, they are 100% free. You do not have to pay for shipping or anything. All you have to do in return is to make videos for them, and that's it. Just 3 videos, and that is not really a lot of videos. So guys, this is the finished product of the first card, and I will be showing you guys the second card that I made on camera with a different blending technique. So this is the second card that I made. It is the same process, only the blending technique is different. As you guys can see, I did not have any purple distress oxide ink. What I did was to mix the blue and the pink together, and as you guys can see, I reuse the same stencil that I used for the first one. You guys can always change stencil, or you can wash it ahead of time and allow it to dry and reuse it again. But I did not do that because I want to blend the pink with the blue ink so that I can get the purple look. So if you guys did not know this technique, it is a bonus technique for you guys to use, especially my crafty friends who do ink blending regular, and the remaining ink on the blending brush, I get a piece of cardstock, blend it in onto the cardstock, and this cardstock I can use it for many different things. I can use it to make shapes, I can use it to make other things to put on my cards, and I can also use it onto different card base. So right here I place 2 pieces of cardstock into the middle to make the card base more thicker. And then I place my flower inside the middle. So basically it is the same process. The only difference, as I said before, is the blending technique, which I mixed both colors together to get the purple color, the desired color that I wanted. So guys, if you run into this situation and you don't have the ink colors that you want, you can always mix the colors as I did in this video. And I also added hearts into the middle of this card as well. You don't have to buy a lot of ink pads if you don't want to, especially if you're on a low budget like myself. You all can always have fun with your inks, and remember that you can make many different colors with just one pack of ink pads. So this is how the purple card turned out to be. So guys, remember to check out those links below and comment down below and let me know which card is your favorite. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and to tell a friend about Willis Creations YouTube channel. I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out.